Hi, welcome to my channel ShopZone. Are you looking for best top products on Amazon? Here will top products review on Amazon. Let's start best review on YouTube. Razer Blade 14 Gaming Laptop, AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS CPU, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060 GPU 141610 QHD plus 240Hz 16GB DDR5 RAM 1TB SSD Windows 11 Vapor Chamber Cooling, Chroma RGB. About this item: portable, thin, lightweight, precision milled from a single aluminum block. The chassis achieves optimal strength-to-weight ratio, complete with an anodized, scratch-resistant finish to protect it against the hazards of traveling. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 40 series, Blade 14 delivers 33% more graphics power than the previous generation. Enjoy playing at higher frames and greater visual fidelity than ever before, while staying on the go. AMD Ryzen 9 7940HS CPU, featuring the latest Zen 4 architecture and a slew of AI enhancements, power through dense workloads, maximize frames in the most demanding games, or cruise through daily tasks with new levels of ease. 14 QHD plus 240Hz 1610 display, with a higher pixel density, faster refresh rate, and lower response time. Gaming on the go has never looked this smooth or felt this immersive. Expandable DDR5 memory, operating at 16% higher frequency speeds for better performance. The laptop's dual memory slots can also support up to 64 GB, up to 10 hours of battery, featuring a larger 68.1 Wh battery and better power efficiency. This laptop is built for the long game and can quickly charge to 80% in 1 hour via 100W USB Type-C charging. Optimized vapor chamber cooling, covering 59% of the surface including the CPU and GPU, dual fans, and thinner 0.05 mm.